The house, it was built in the 50s. It was added to in the 90s. It was remodeled right around 25 years ago. So we're trying to take all of these different eras of architecture and style and sort of merge them into one new style. It's an opportunity for what real people do to real remodels. It's a new kitchen, updated bathrooms, but we're not moving a lot of walls, or we're not doing a big addition. We're just trying to take the house and make it cohesive and architecturally significant. So we're gonna refresh it and give it sort of a Miami's tropical 1940s influenced historic feel. The design is really focused on opening it up to really give it some good vistas throughout the house. So we've opened up the kitchen to the rest of the house. We're also opening up the entry to the den, but there'll be definitions of space, primarily through changes in ceiling heights and maybe some arches. Also, we're taking some of the windows and making them open and turning them into sliding doors so you can go out to the patio. So it has more of an indoor-outdoor flavor. The before and afters will be pretty dramatic. I think that people will have a sense of home and warmth, and the design, I think, will be awesome. So that's really the essence of this remodel.